To grow and take care of aquarium plants, like fish, pick plants according to your water, whether you have hard or soft water. If you have hard water, a lot of plants have problems growing in it, and you can use purified water, reverse osmosis water. You'll want to add a plant substrate like fluorite to provide the necessary minerals for plant and a place for them to grow. Choose a light with a appropriate brightness and color, a daylight spectrum. Then add plant-safe algae eaters like autocats or shrimp. This will keep algae off the leaves of the plants. The algae will choke out these plants. Larger algae eaters will eat through the leaves of the plants, so you want to make sure they are plant safe. Then lastly, trim plants and add fertilizer plugs or liquid fertilizer to help plants grow.